If my people, which are called by my name, shall humble themselves and pray, and seek my face, and turn from their wicked ways, then will I hear from heaven, and will forgive their sins, and will heal their land. Come, Lord, heal our land. Come, Lord, heal our land. The sins of our fathers has come before your throne. Forgive us, O God, for the blood that's been shed, that cries out from the land. Forgive us, O God, and heal our land. We have walked away from your righteous laws and called it enlightenment. We have trodden on our brother for monetary gain, and we have murdered unborn children and called it the right to choose. Lord, forgive us and heal our land. Come, Lord, heal our land. Come, Lord, heal our land. The sins of our fathers have come before your throne. Forgive us, O God, for the blood that's been shed, that cries out from the land. Forgive us, O God, and heal our land. And we have heard the voice of your prophets cry, repentance is the key. We say yes with our lips, but our hearts are far away. No judgment begins with the house of God, but still we will not pray. Lord, forgive us and heal our land. Come, Lord, heal our land. Come, Lord, heal our land. The sins of our fathers have come before your throne. Forgive us, O God, for the blood that's been shed, that cries out from the land. Forgive us, O God, and heal our land. Forgive us, O God, and heal our land. Forgive us, O God, and